Hey everyone, we're out here today. Pretty nice day. It's got some spinner baits and everything ready. And, we're just gonna go check out this creek. It has some wild brown trout in it. And we're just gonna go try and do some little catch and release brown trout fishing. So let's get out there. So I'm gonna get down there. There's not really actually much of a plan today. I'm aiming for trout, because last time I was here, didn't really have a plan. I was asking around, they're like, oh yes, brown trout are here. But really anything that bites, I'll be happy with. So, let's get down to the water and try it out. I'm gonna go with white, just 'cause I feel like it's gonna work the best. I love these white little rooster tails they have at like Walmart and stuff. They're so good. They're like 94 cents. They're reliable. Where could you go wrong? Yeah, I totally do not have any pliers in here to cut line off this though. Oh well, that's part of fishing, I guess. Make do with what you got. Okay, rooster tail. Those spinners, or that spinner, I think is gonna do better for bigger salmon. Maybe at like Valley Forge or at a place with bigger fish. Well, this one sinks a lot better too. Yeah, it looks good to me. Whoa, there's a big crane over there. Oh, I definitely got nibbled at right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. There's a fish right there. I just missed him. Let's try again. Try to get that spinner bait. That's nice. Yo, worth. Not rusty or nothing. It's real good. This last time I came here, the water was completely see-through. That's probably why people were fishing it that day. That was also in like May of last year, so who knows? Oh, there he is. Decent. There we are, folks. A decent brown trout. Now, I know I've had problems before identifying brown trout from rainbow trout, but I think I've got it down that this one is a brown trout. I did my study work on it. That is a beauty though, isn't he? One beautiful, beautiful brown trout. And this is a wild guy. Wild guy. Now, no way I'm taking this guy. Number one, because it's not PA trout season yet. Number two, because this creek I would never eat out of. But isn't he beautiful? Isn't he pretty? Pretty little brown trout. Crazy animals. Okay, bye buddy. And off he goes. Let's go take a look over here. We're gonna go down this trail that we were originally on. I thought the end of the park was the bridge, but I was wrong. The trail I'm on actually goes a bit longer. Right here looks like a good spot to me fish-wise. Do not want to get it out in the middle there because I see all the logs and stuff. There it is. This fish. Second brownie. There's a smaller one this time. Still a wild, beautiful fish. This guy's kind of small. Right there. Wow, look at him. It's a little brown trout. All right, well, let's get him back. Again, I always say it, and I always see it on YouTube. Throw fish back like that. Always do it. Because it gives them the splash they need to realize they need to run away. I see so many people just gently let trout back, and that's fine for some fish, like bluegill and shit. I don't think that'll matter, but for trout, toss them back. That's why they let them out of airplanes. Just got a huge hit right here by a big guy. Let's see if we can get him. He didn't like bite it. I think he just nudged it. Huh. There's like a little canal or something here. Huh. I can go over it over there though. It's good to see. I could probably jump it. Well, that's a roadblock if I ever saw it. So I came over here to see if I could walk through the swamp, but it's way too soggy over there, and my feet would completely sink through. So I think I'm gonna start heading back now, maybe hit a few spots that we missed while we're going back up there. Right in the back of the mat, something just snapped it. Come on, big brown, come back for it. I guess he's not gonna. I know these fish get spooked really easily. Oh, there he is. Hey. What'd I say? This isn't, I don't think this is the same fish. This is a small one. But it's a third fish. You know? Crazy. Whoa. Crazy, teeny tiny brown trouts. They're so pretty though. Look at all their little spots. And their yellow bellies. These aren't native to Pennsylvania, I believe. I believe these to be European, but still pretty cool. I might take one more shot out here then. Glad I finally caught that thing. All right, people, and I'm gonna call it a day there. Thanks for watching. We got quite a few good little brown trout, and we only did like a quarter of the preserve. So we'll be back hopefully soon, maybe catch a few more brownies. But yeah, until next time.